In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-dimension in AutoCAD. If you've ever spent too much time placing dimensions one by one, this will save you a ton of clicks. We're using the Quick Dimension command, which reads your selected geometry and generates a clean set of dimensions automatically, all based on your current dimension style. It works great on lines, polylines, arcs, and circles, and it respects the scale and text settings you already have in your drawing. Start by typing QDIM into the command line and press Enter. QDIM stands for Quick Dimension, and launching it this way ensures you're using the exact command we want, without digging through menus. You'll see prompts appear at the bottom, and your cursor will switch to selection mode. Now, select the objects using your mouse. Click the specific lines, arcs, or circles you want to dimension, or drag a selection window to grab a group at once. Be intentional here. Only include geometry you actually want measured. QDIM looks at endpoints, midpoints, and center points, so the selection drives what it will dimension. If you grab too much, hold Shift and click an item again to remove it from the selection. You don't need to worry about the order of selection. Just make sure the correct objects highlight. When you're satisfied with the selection, you're ready for the layout. Press Enter, and then use your mouse to adjust their direction and length. As you move your cursor around, AutoCAD previews the dimension arrangement. Slide your mouse above or below a set of horizontal lines to preview horizontal chains, or to the left or right of vertical elements for vertical chains. For arcs and circles, you'll see radial or diameter dimensions preview outward. The distance you hold your cursor from the objects controls the offset and spacing, so position it where the dimensions will read clearly without overlapping your geometry. If your ortho or polar tracking is on, you'll find it easier to keep the layout straight and consistent, but the command will still behave predictably either way. Take a moment to check that the arrows, text, and extension lines look balanced and that nothing collides with nearby annotations. When the preview looks right, AutoCAD will place the dimensions in that orientation. And there you go. That's all. With just QDIM, a clean selection, and a quick mouse move to set the direction and spacing, you can generate a tidy, readable set of dimensions in seconds. If something doesn't look the way you expect, simply undo and run QDIM again with a tighter selection or a different cursor position. Happy drafting!